There's a lot going on in the dollar versus Swiss from a tactical perspective. I'll talk about it in this video, so let's get started. Now I'm going to focus on the 4-hour chart. When we take a look at the price action more recently, we had this high price that came in February, March, and we moved down to the March low. I guess that's February. And then we saw this bounce to the upside, and the bounce to the upside came to the 38.2% retracement of this move to the downside. That was a plain vanilla type corrective move in the dollar versus Swiss franc. It doesn't suggest that the buyers are necessarily taking firm control. In fact, it says that this is just a corrective move and what was a more of a trend move to the downside, at least in the short-term picture here. So the price has since rotated back to the downside. The next thing that I want to focus on is this 100-day moving average. That's this, or 200-day moving average. That's the green line in this chart. As you can see, the price fell below that level in trading yesterday and then bounced back toward it in trading here today. We moved just a little bit above it before rotating back to the downside. So the sellers, again, are taking more control staying below that 200-day moving average. It would take a move above the 200-day moving average to increase the bullish bias. Finally, the next thing that interests me from this chart is the 50% retracement of this move from the September low to the high price that we saw in the month of January. The 50% retracement of that move comes in right here at the 0.8787 level, 87, nice round number. And as you can see, the price low so far has come down to that level and found support buyers. So we do have a resistance against a 200-day moving average support at the 50% retracement level. If we break below the 50% retracement level and continue this trend back to the downside, then I would expect to see the price first test this swing area down here near the 0.8776 level, and then the low price that we saw in trading last week in this currency period, 0.8757. Moreover, the sellers would be taking even more control away from the buyers in this currency pair. So there you have it. A quick look at the dollar versus Swiss. A lot of going on from a technical perspective. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.